Hi, let's see how to recover any lost data from your Windows computer. So in order to demonstrate, we'll just create a demo folder over here. I'll just create a sample text file. It could be a really important data, but just we're just creating a fresh file. So I'll just rename it to a file, very important file, and some data with that. Okay. So let's save this file first. Now we're going to delete this file, not just a simple delete, but also a permanent deletion from recycle bin. So as you can see, this is a recycle bin, and now we are just permanently deleting this file. Okay, now that's gone now forever. Okay, now open your browser. Now just paste the link we have in the description. So this is UltFone Windows recovery software, which is going to do this job for us. Okay, now just click on download button and run the software. Click on install button and it should take a while to install. So now this software has got a lot of features, like it can recover your lost data from recycle bin or any drive, or like it can even recover your crashed computer. So that's pretty like really important feature for users who operate with important data. Okay, so now the tool is ready now, so we'll just run it. Okay, so this is the home screen where we can choose multiple options here. So now we'll go for the folder which we already know, so we'll click on select folder option. Now that we know that the folder is a demo folder we just created, we'll just select it and just click on go button. Let's start scanning the directory and just look for the indexes internally. We'll smartly retrieve all the data. So it has listed our file, which is not, which was actually deleted, permanently deleted from the computer. Now just select that file on your data and just click on recover button. Now in the screen, you have to provide a path where it has to be extracted to. So let's click on recover and it will show us the recovered file. So what I'll do is I'll just paste it back to its original location. So that's it.